Guys, good evening. So welcome back to our channel Drunken Engineer, where we have started sharing our trades. So we usually trade our intraday trades. So today also we have taken a trade in Nifty, and we had a small loss. We have booked a small loss, even though like the market was completely sideways. We thought of taking a trade in negative side. So if you talk about orders, so if you see, I have entered at 12.5 and I have exited at 12.20. And coming to the setup, so this was a setup, guys. So if you see here, this was the first candle, and it was constantly taking support on a trade line. So here around 11:30, uh, there was a breakdown of the chart, and again a nice pullback, like a retouch to the trend line, and followed by again green candles. So here around in this candle I have entered the trade with a small stop loss of the same, like previous candle high. Unfortunately, it went down. I was getting some good profit around 1000, but again the market pulled back and my stop loss was hit. So I have to book my stop loss, and at the end of the day again it came down. But once I always respect my stop loss. So as soon as uh, it was going above in this candle itself, in the first minute itself, I have taken the I lost. Like I booked the loss and I have exited the trade. But if I would have waited, I would have got some good profit as well. So if you see here, I have purchased it at 170 and at 158 with 12 points. I have exited, and if you see now, it is 192. Current trading price is 192, which is exactly 12 points again. So I would have got like close to, like I have booked close to 900 loss, but I could have get more than 1000 profit. So this was the trade that I have taken today. So thanks you for watching. That's it in this video. We'll meet in the next video.